Hi there, Emmanuel here, and you've probably found this video because you're looking into this Beast Funnels. You're looking for a Beast Funnels review, or maybe you're just doing some research to see, if you want to use it, if it's for you or not. So I'm going to get into that review in a second, but if this is your first time on the channel, then hey, welcome. Nice to see you here. If you aren't already a subscriber to the channel, then please take a second, just hit the subscribe button below. And don't forget also to tick on the bell icon, so that anytime I do release a new video, you'll be notified. You won't miss out. And I'm doing that regularly. Anything I find out, anything like this, any reviews, any tips, any tricks, anything I think is going to help you, in your marketing to make a little bit more money online, I'm releasing new videos. So make sure you don't miss out on that and hit the subscribe button below. Also, you don't need to wait to the end. If you do want to get access to my free 4-part affiliate marketing course, then you can also go below this video and hit on the link and you'll get that completely for free. Okay, so let's get into this then. Beast Funnels. So what it is basically a funnel creator. So think of Clickfunnels, think of lead pages. It creates a funnel for you. And nowadays, any good marketing, you need a funnel. A funnel is just a process you take people through. Yeah, so it starts off with like a squeeze page and you go through whatever. So this is the funnel creator, and their play is on that some of the bigger funnel creators charge you a lot of money, like Clickfunnels. It's $97 a month. Lead pages, I think, is $27 a month. So they're coming in on the price being cheaper. So I think it's a one-time offer of $17, and it's unlimited. It's not monthly. And then the second thing is now they're saying that email traffic is a little bit dead. So we're going to give you 3 ways in order to increase your traffic and increase your leads. And we're actually going to give you a free method. I'm going to go through that in a second. It's one of the most complicated methods I've ever seen. Push notifications and all this sort of stuff. But I'll go into it in a minute. So this is the site itself. The owner, his name's Brendon Mace. He's like a product creator. He creates a lot of products. This is the site. It's telling you, basically, you don't need to do it the traditional way. You can do it this way. They've got a little bit of social proof of some of the top marketers in the world. I don't think these people probably know anything about this. You just put their pictures on there. All this sort of stuff, built-in stuff. Go through the page yourself, to have a look. But basically, so you get this funnel creator. And here's an example of it. This is the back office here. Yeah, this one here. Yeah, this is the back office. I'll make it a little bit bigger. So you're going to get funnels, opt-in pages that look a little bit like this. They're not bad. A little bit like childish looking for me. Do you know what I mean? But to get a free to get a funnel at this cheap price, why not? You also going to get a thank you page, which is built in with it as well. So, in essence, you get this. People put their email address in and they go to whatever your affiliate offer is. You fill out this page. You call it what you want. You put in here what your affiliate link is for whatever you're trying to sell. Say it's a ClickBank product. You put the link in there. Now you put in here how many subscribers need to share your link before they can change the link to their link. I'm going to go through this in a minute. It's quite complicated. And then, you can put a picture on the page. Then you put in your push notification script and then you put in your ManyChat script. Again, I'm hoping that the training, but from what I've heard, the training is quite basic in their back office. So, if you don't know much about push notifications and ManyChat and Facebook bots, you're going to be a bit confused here. You're probably going to have to get the upgrades, and there is loads of upgrades. It starts from $37 right up to $197, supposedly done for you traffic and done for you system and unlimited traffic, all this sort of stuff, $197. So, but this is the basic, what you get for the $17. You get this funnel creator here where you can create one of these funnels and you get a thank you page. And then you get this option to share it. So say I've got this page here. And just imagine this is the page here. My affiliate link I just filled in, say it was for Amazon.com. It can be anything. It could be your ClickBank here. So now the person comes along and they put their email address in, and then they're then sent to whatever your affiliate link is. In this case, it would be Amazon. And then behind that, there's a pop-up page. And so it's on a separate browser, a thank you page will pop up. Yeah. And this is what the thank you page looks like. Looks like this. So now what you're encouraging people to do now is to take this thank you page here. They come to this page. You are encouraging them to copy this link, click on here to go and get access to a free moneymaker website, which in essence is just a version of the Beast Funnels page. So you'll send them over to that. Now you give them another link and you're asking them to kind of share this link. And this isn't very clear. They just see this link. You've asked to copy it. They press it and it says, oh, you can't change the link to your own link yet. You've got to share this with 4 people. So yeah, you come here and they've got to share it. So imagine this person here shares it with 4 people. Then now they can change that link from what my link would be, the Amazon.com, to their link. So that's where this kind of, you're going to get free traffic, this kind of viral sharing. Because you think on your thank you page, people are going to see this and they're going to think, oh, I want this moneymaker site. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to share it around my social media. I'm going to share it to 4 people, and them sharing that has your link in it. So that's kind of where this viral thing is, where you're going to get free traffic. Well, let me be honest here. I personally don't think this will work. I mean, think about it. If I came to this opt-in page here, I'm looking for, say, a ClickBank product, and I find this page, and then I go to the ClickBank product. That's what I'm looking for. I'm not looking now in a pop-up page to now find this stuff and share it around. What's the incentive for me? I wasn't looking for that initially. I just came to look for whatever the ClickFunnels, ClickBank product was. I wasn't interested in this sharing stuff. And then I see it in the browser just popped up, and I'm going to be like, oh wow, let me copy this and share this all around because I want one of these beast funnels and I want to be able to change my link. But I just don't think this will work. I personally don't think it will work. I haven't tried it. Unless you really incentivize people to do things, they're not going to do it. We know in this day and age, people's attention spans ain't long enough for them to go and copy this, share it around social media, and for what? So that they can then put their own affiliate link in and then share it. For me, it's a model that's not going to work. I don't see this as working. What you need this, a template, and you need to drive traffic to this, and then send people from this to whatever you want, whatever your ClickBank offer is. And that's all. I think the only value in this is getting it at the $17, because if you want to get a funnel creator and you don't want to pay the big sort of money that ClickFunnels are charging, maybe then you make a change a bit of money. And also now you've also got to connect this to an autoresponder. So it'll be like Aweber or GetResponse. They say that they can collect the leads for you, because they on the cloud, on their clouds, so on their cloud base. But again, they're just going to collect the leads. They haven't got an autoresponder system that you can send messages to these people. So they're just going to give you email addresses. And who knows, if this site ever goes down, then that's the end of your leads. They're going to keep your leads on the cloud. So if you're going to do this, make sure you do it with your own autoresponder, like Aweber or stuff like that, because that also, they follow rules and regulations about emailing people online. You can't just, somebody gives you an email and you start just emailing them. Like if I save you an email for you and you just start emailing people, it comes under the spam sort of like category. So I'd just be a little bit careful with this. I mean, me personally, if I was to use this, I would just use it to test these funnels, and to as an alternative to, say, ClickFunnels. If I don't want to spend $97 a month, then maybe get this for $17. The funnels don't look that professional, and who knows how long this is going to be around, sort of thing. Whereas we know companies like ClickFunnels or Lead Pages, they've kind of been around, they've stood the test of time, But look, as a $17 product, why not? It's up to you if you want to get the upsells. But as a $17 testing product to have a look at the funnels, then why not? Why not give it a go? Do you know what I mean? If you don't know much about funnels, I don't know what the training is like. I've heard it's very, very pedestrian, but if you want to give it a go for $17, then you can't really go wrong, But what you need to learn in this industry, is not just all these little gimmicks and these softwares. You need to learn how to market properly. Do you know what I mean? I've been in this industry for 10 years. And initially, when I first started in affiliate marketing, I was doing well. I just didn't even know it. I was making $1,000, $3,000, $5,000 commissions. But at the time, you hear about all this stuff, all these people saying they're making millions here, they're making thousands in a day. So you think you're doing something wrong, and then you go on this journey. I did, on this shiny object journey, where I tried this and I tried this and I tried this. And it was just too much for me. And I came to a point where I just completely gave it up, But in that time, I still had that kind of gnawing voice in my head telling me you can do this. And I was lucky enough to meet 2 mentors that taught me the basics of affiliate marketing. You know, they taught me about traffic, turning traffic to leads, turning leads into sales, and doing that consistently. You know, so that's why I personally put together this free 4-part video affiliate marketing course that will teach you the same thing. It'll teach you how to go from where you are now to a place where you're getting leads, to a place where you're getting sales. You know, so if that's something that may be of interest to you, then I'll leave a link below this. You can click on that and get completely free access to that. But either way, listen, I do hope you did get some value from this. If you did, then please take a second, just give it a thumbs up. Also share it with anyone else you think might get some value from it as well. If you do have any questions, any comments at all, then just leave it in the comments box below. Alright, once again, thanks for listening. Till next time, you take care. I'll speak to you soon. All the best. Take care.